Crisp and clear September evening, load the kids into the truck. Firewood free for the taking, Dad just can't believe his luck. Old brown truck, why are you laughing? Sure, I've better things to do than traipse into the woods this evening and carry firewood back to you. Father only cuts the fallen, that's the deal we made today. Leave the good trees where they're standing, we wanted it no other way. Intense among the trunks we scramble, dodge the bramble when I hear the change in pitch. Then I come running where Dad awaits with his chainsaw humming. On the ground, a rusted beer can. How'd it get beyond this creek? Was it chugged in celebration or nursed after a trying week? Here is something new and ancient, flagrant growth from rotting stump. Turn around and brush the ants off, ghostly itch that makes me jump. Gone the slumbers of the infant, yet to come the old man's pains. This day here I am the prince of falling leaves and rutted lanes. Intense among the trunks we scramble, dodge the bramble when I hear the change in pitch. Then I come running where Dad awaits with his chainsaw humming. Load the pockets full of buckeyes, count the pill bugs in the soil, search the sky for fallen sundogs in jeans that smell of heart and oil. As the sun goes down by inches, shadows reach and claw my cuff. Frantic laughing, happy panic, I hope I can run fast enough. Run, boy. Intense among the trunks we scramble, dodge the bramble when I hear the change in pitch. Then I come running where Dad awaits with his chainsaw humming to keep us warm through the next blizzard. Stack it high out by the shed, rub the ridge with numbing fingers, the telltale mark of the chainsaw lingers. Someday I should bring the guidebook, learn the limbs I lift and throw, learn the calls, the crazy echoes, learn the stuff my parents know.